This one right here is gonna produce a pepper. That one. I can tell by, I don't know what that thing is called, but that portion of the flower that's extended out and the stern firmness of this stem tells me that that pepper is coming. Now compared to, I know we lost one. Where did she go? This one. This one just might not make it. I took my finger and I fertilized from another. I used one flower, fertilized another flower, vice versa, and I got up in this one too. So we'll see what happens. This one is looking like it's gonna give me a yeah, we got some cayenne peppers coming, y'all. Fucking excited. Also, the Scotch bonnets, baby. Do you see that? Flowering. I'm so excited. Like, so fucking excited. Last but not least, we got our micro Tom. I think it's micro Tom. This isn't not the orange one. I have an orange micro and I have a red micro. This is the red micro. I did the same thing with the finger to these flowers. We'll see what happens. I don't know if that works for tomatoes. Hopefully it does. If not, in a different video a few years ago, I saw something like a toothbrush or a Q-tip. I'm not sure, but we shall see, because I'm very familiar with flower droppings. Dropping of flowers, droppage, y'all know what I mean. So we'll see.